Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. First up, shut up. Anyways, I forgot I don't have an editor. Anyways, so basically, I have good news. So the good news is, except for be playing just Roblox games, watching videos and stuff, except for doing that, there's some new news. First up, the first good news is I figured out I can record. I can record on my VR. Second good news, I'm gonna get a quest link. Third good news, I gotta see it's a file explorer on my quest. Bro, okay, so basically where I'm going with this is, yeah, I'm gonna be switching to VR games, and I'm going, and also, if anyone who have VR watching this, when I start recording on VR, let you know if you need help with a it's a file explorer, I will help you. Okay? What the hell? No. Anyway, wait, please. So yeah, I will help you get a CSS for not in this video. All you need to do is download it and have this mobile VR station app, and then do this certain thing. Go to this certain place, and then get to this certain place and go to your downloads in that certain place. And so after doing that, then you can load your CS file. You have to probably click on it a couple times, and it will and then it asks you to download it, and when you download it, you can get other secret games from SideQuest. Yeah. That's all this video is about. Anyways, I'm not going to be playing any music, copyright strikes. I was gonna sing Dandelions, copyright strike. Anyways, I am eating numbers, and you're gonna be watching me be playing VR. Oh yeah, also, not only me playing VR, there's one more thing I want to show y'all. If I come to here, Unity Hub, I've been working on a project. So if y'all have a VR headset, you better play my game when it comes out. You better play my game. I swear, if you don't, well, I'm finding that IP. I don't think so I get them. I don't want them. So yeah, there's only basic stuff. Oh gosh, Friday the 13th, and it's well, you can say it's Halloween soon, but Halloween starts on October 30th, the 31st of October, and ends after October. So basically, it's still kind of Halloween, but only starts on the it really starts on the 31st. And also, now that back in the days, they used to put basically poison in your candy. So that's why people to this day say trick or treat, because it's either a trick or a treat. And if it have a hole inside of it, that means it's a trick. Do not eat it. You're going to go to the hospital. Damn, that's crazy. So yeah, this is my game so far. It don't really have werid surgery. I'm not using it. So yeah, I've been working on a game. It's not really done yet. Wait, wait. So yeah. Yeah, so I need to color. Oh yeah, at school, so Fortnite so basically at school, my teacher told basically talked said, hey, when my friends fell, they gonna be like not to know it. It's funny. Also, it is a high school and middle. Well, not high school. It's it's mixed with a elementary school. So it's really a middle school. But if any adults are watching this, or you want kids, or because you should send them to Congress. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Best school ever. Cat. Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Bye, guys.